Keyword research using Amazon Search Query Performance Report. What is Search Query Performance Report in Amazon Seller Central and how you can use it to identify the good performing keywords and how it helps you to benchmark the conversion rates for any specific keywords. My name is Tahir Mahmood and I am an Amazon Brands Manager at Upscale Valley, a full service Amazon FBA agency. And in this video, we'll cover one of the most amazing tool that Amazon has ever provided to the sellers, and it's within the Seller Central. Amazon Search Query Performance Report helps you see what customers are searching for and how your brand is performing for these searches. It shows you data like impressions, clicks, add to carts, and purchases. And you also see what percentage of each of those actions your brand received compared to your competitors. This data helps you find the keywords that matter and those that are being underutilized. So here's how you can access this tool in your Seller Central. You have to go to the brands and then the brand analytics. And on this page, you have to go to the search analytics. Here it is, and then the search query performance. And once you click on search query performance, it will take you to this page, and then you can select the brand. If you have multiple brands in the Seller Central, you can select any of those. And once you select the brand, you have to select the reporting range. I usually prefer doing it month over month and sometime quarter as well. So in this case, I'm taking it up as in the quarterly. So I prefer analyzing the recent quarter. So once I apply the reporting range, I have to click on apply, and it will give you the search queries that are related to your brand, and Amazon has suggested it to you. So we can have two types of search queries here. One is on the brand level and the other one are on the ASIN level. If you want to navigate to the search queries that are related to any particular ASIN in your brand, so you have to go to this ASIN view and you have to click on you have to enter any ASIN under your brand name, and then you have to choose the reporting range, and then you can download the search query performance report for that specific ASIN. Right now, Amazon is generating around 100 search terms, 100 search queries for the ASIN view and 1000 for the brand view. So right now we will be analyzing the brand view. Once you have applied the reporting grid, you have to go to the generate download to download a spreadsheet where you can analyze the data later on. So I have already downloaded one. So once I click on the download, it will download my search query performance report. And once I have this, I can import that sheet into like any of the Google Sheets or Excel. I prefer using Google Sheets. So here it is. I have this sheet in my Google Sheets. So the spreadsheet might look overwhelming, but you can focus on these key columns. The first one is the search query, the actual keywords customers are searching for. And then there is the impression share, means how often your brand appeared for that particular search term. So similarly, you can navigate to the click share, means that how often your listings are clicked, and then the add to carts share is how often your product was added to the cart against that particular search term. Now, how you can identify the top performing keywords from this spreadsheet? Look for the keywords where your add to cart percentage is higher than your click share and the impression share. Why? Because that means customers who sees your product and click on it are highly interested. They are adding it to their cart, but because your impressions or clicks are low, not enough people are finding your product against that particular keyword. So these are high potential keywords. If you start targeting them in your PPC campaigns or optimize your listing for them, you could get more traffic and still keep the same strong add to cart percentage. So here's how you can identify new potential keywords. Highlight the keywords where your add to cart percentage is higher than both click percentage and impression percentage. Check that how many of these keywords you have not added into your listing content and not targeting in PPC as well. Add them to your listing content, title, bullet points, and backend search terms, and you can launch new campaigns or adjust your PPC campaigns to include these keywords. By doing this, you'll increase the visibility on the keywords that already showing high purchase intent. And to be honest, this method is proven and more effective than just guessing or using tools alone. So let's say in this example, I have impression brand share percentage is 2% for this particular search term, 12-month bodysuit, and my click percentage for my brand is around 18%. So that means this particular search term is underutilized. I'm not getting sufficient impressions for this search term, but I'm getting a good percentage of clicks. So people are clicking on my product for this search term, but I don't have enough impressions. So that means I need to target this search term in my PPC campaigns, or if this is missing in my listing content, I need to add this up in my listing content as well. And here's one more useful metric that we can analyze through the search query performance report and the brand analytics. That is the conversion rate analysis for the top ASINs for any specific keyword. So how you can analyze the conversion rate for any given keyword for the specific ASIN. Let's say in this case, I have this search term, the bamboo charcoal pillow, and the total click count for this particular search term is 185. So for this search term on Amazon, there are 185 clicks in this given reporting rate. That is the quarterly, and that is the first quarter of 2025. So what I have to do now, I have to go to the top search terms. I have to copy this keyword from here. Okay, so let's say in this example, I have this search query on the top, bamboo pillow, and for this I have a total click count of 67,000. So now I have the click count for this particular search query. I have to copy this search term and navigate to my top search terms. And once I put this search term in here and select the same reporting range for this as well, so I get this data. Let's say for the bamboo pillow, I have got the top three click products. Let's say for this one, I have this ASIN and the click share is 29% and the conversion share is 19.82%. So now I can get an idea of how many clicks this particular ASIN is getting and how many sales is it generating for this particular search term. So here's how I can do that. I had 67,000 in the click count, so I have 29% in the click share. So let's say 27,000 into 29%, so I have a total of 19,430 clicks for this particular search term for this ASIN, right? So now I have the conversion share of 19%. So what I have to do is I have to let's say I got the number of 19,000. So I'm gonna multiply 19,000 with 19%. So I have 3,610 sales. So that means to be on the top of list, to be on the top of the search results for this particular keyword, I have to generate 3,600 sales for this particular keyword to be on number one organic rank. So here's how you can also get an idea of the conversion rates. You can we had around 19,000 clicks and we have 3,600 sales. So I'm gonna just divide this with this to get my into 100. So I have got 18.94%. So that means this particular ASIN has 19% of the conversion rate. So this can be like 1-2% up or down from this particular number, but we can have an idea of how much this ASIN is converting for this kind of keyword, and what are the benchmarks for the conversion rates and for the click count and the impression count. So let's recap quickly. The search query performance report shows how exactly your customers interact with your brand's keywords. Focus on the keywords with high add to cart but low click and impression share. Add those to your listing and ad campaigns to unlock more traffic and conversions. So this is one of the smartest way to improve your keyword strategy using Amazon's own data. So in this video, we have discussed that how you can utilize Amazon Search Query Performance Report to highlight underutilizing keyword, and how you can benchmark the conversion rates and the click counts and the purchase count for any given specific search term, and how you can analyze your competitors' conversion rates and how you can benchmark the numbers. So if there's anything else you are struggling with the search query performance, or whether is it about anything else, you can drop down into the comment section. I'll help you out.